What's up guys, Shane Starnes here, and tempered glass screen protectors definitely have their advantages, but they also have their disadvantages. If you drop a tempered glass screen protector, it's probably going to shatter. You'll have to buy a new screen protector. Also, once that tempered glass screen protector incurs scratches, those scratches are there until you replace the screen protector. Tech 21 has designed an all-new protective film that has self-healing properties, so whenever you get scratches on your screen protector from day-to-day use, they will eventually smooth out over time, eliminating those scratches. This is the impact shield for the Galaxy S10e. Let's go ahead and get started. At $29.95, the impact shield from Tech 21 is still a great value when it comes to a screen protector for the Galaxy S10 or S10e. Now, one thing that really makes this stand out is the self-healing properties of this protective film. So if for whatever reason you do incur some scratches on the screen protector will eventually smooth out, getting rid of those scratches. All right, so we're going to see what comes with the screen protector. Just going to take everything out of the box here and see what comes with it. Okay, so you have your screen protector. You have some cleaning supplies here and a squeegee, and then you also have an applicator guide. So I really love the fact that they did include the applicator guide. I am one of the world's worst at applying screen protectors, so having kind of a point of reference or some kind of help is always a plus. And then on the back here, you will find a full how-to guide. All right, before we really get going, I would suggest go ahead and turn off your phone so that it doesn't become a distraction when you're cleaning it and applying the screen protector. Next up, you will thoroughly clean your display. So you have an alcohol wipe. You'll use that first to clean off all of the grime and dust off of your screen. All right, follow that up with the cleaning cloth. Then lastly, you will use your dust removal sticker to remove any remaining dust or particles. Be sure that you do a great job of removing the dust and particles because they can get in between your screen protector and your screen, and it's pretty annoying to have a piece of dust there. So you may want to just go ahead and cover the entire display with a sticker to make sure that you remove all of the dust that has accumulated. All right, so the next thing you'll do is go ahead and slide the guide onto the phone. On the screen protector, you'll peel back the tab labeled 1. So just peel that all the way off. Next, you'll use the guide here to align your screen protector. Next up, we'll remove the applicator. All right, so you see how on this number 2 tab, you're going to be peeling that away and then squeegeeing the screen protector down. It's kind of an odd concept. Okay, and then you'll do the same thing with the number 3 tab. Just kind of peel the whole thing up and peel this from underneath like so. And then all right, you should be able to just kind of squeegee it down as you go. All right, so it kind of falls in place, and then you can squeegee out all of the air bubbles. All right, so then the last thing you'll do, of course, is take off the number 4 tab, and then you've got your film protector applied. And just kind of work out the air bubbles as best as you can. Those will also go away within the next 24 hours. All right, so after the install, everything looks perfect on the display. We didn't lose any color or clarity or quality in our picture. We almost have 100% screen coverage with just a little bit of a notch here for the camera cutout. One thing that's worth mentioning, because this is a film screen protector and not a tempered glass screen protector, this will also work for the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. It'll even work with that ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. And then of course it has the added benefit of being self-healing, so if you do incur some sort of scratch damage to the screen protector, you won't automatically have to replace it. Okay, so next up we'll take a quick look at some case compatibility. I feel like every single case should be compatible with this particular screen protector because it does leave a pretty decent sized gap around the edges for case compatibility. The case that we know will be compatible here is the Evo Check case by Tech 21. This is a drop protection case. and it has a pretty snug fit. And as you can see here, we don't have any screen protector lifting, and everything fits just fine in the EvoCheck case. Next up, we'll try the Plasma Series case from Urban Armor Gear. It's another very tight fitting case. We'll go ahead and slide this in. And once again, the screen protector isn't actually touching the edge of the case here, and it looks like this is going to be a perfectly compatible case with this screen protector. All right, next up we have the Symmetry Series case by Otterbox, and once again, it's a very tight fitting case. In fact, if this case works with a screen protector, I think we're not going to have any issues with any case. And once again, we have zero lifting, and it seems to be perfectly compatible with this screen protector. All right, next up, we have the Protective Stand case by Samsung. This is a Samsung official case, another very tight fitting case. And we have, once again, no issues with any lifting on this case. It's worth noting that I have taken 4 cases on and off, and we don't have any lifting on this screen protector. All right, lastly, we'll take a look at the Silicone Case. This is another Samsung official case, and I'm pretty sure that this one is going to be just fine, and it is. No compatibility issues with the Silicone Case by Samsung. All right, guys, that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel for more coverage like this in the near future. Also, make sure that you do click that notification bell, as it's the only way you'll be notified of new videos when they come out. Once again, thanks for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.